On completing 10 years of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao movement, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the movement has become a transformative, people-powered initiative and drawn participation from people across all walks of life. Dr. S. Shankar attended the meeting with Quad foreign ministers in Washington, D.C. last night. The meeting reaffirms the shared commitment of Quad to strengthening a free and open Indo-Pacific. The Employees Provident Fund Organization added 14,63,000 members during November last year. This represents an increase of 9.07% in net members as compared to October 2024. Food Processing Industries Minister Chirag Paswan said that beverage company AAP InBev has announced an investment of $250 million in various parts of India, which will be completed in 2 to 3 years. Union Railways Minister Ashwani Vaishnaw today met the Swift Federal Railways delegation in Davos. During the meeting, they had a detailed discussion on safety technologies and maintenance practices.